The International WorldWisdomWell.com brings you this carefully curated, rare audiobook, Everyone is Right. In a world brimming with diverse opinions and perspectives, the notion that everyone is right invites us to explore the depths of empathy, understanding, and coexistence. This perspective does not mean that every statement or belief is factually accurate, but rather acknowledges the validity of individual experiences and viewpoints. It fosters a culture of mutual respect and dialogue, essential for harmonious living in a pluralistic society. Firstly, understanding that everyone is right in their context means recognizing the unique circumstances that shape their beliefs. People's backgrounds, cultures, and personal experiences profoundly influence their perspectives. For instance, what might be a universally accepted truth in one culture could be perceived entirely differently in another. By appreciating this diversity, we learn to respect differing viewpoints without immediately dismissing them. Moreover, the concept underscores the importance of empathy. When we say everyone is right, we invite ourselves to step into others' shoes, seeing the world from their vantage point. This empathetic approach can dissolve conflicts, as it encourages us to understand the reasons behind others' actions and beliefs. Through empathy, we realize that many disagreements stem not from malicious intent, but from different understandings and experiences. Additionally, acknowledging that everyone is right fosters constructive dialogue. Instead of entering discussions with the intent to prove others wrong, we approach conversations with a mindset open to learning. This shift can transform debates into opportunities for growth and mutual understanding. When we listen with the intent to understand, rather than refute, we pave the way for more meaningful and productive interactions. In the realm of personal relationships, this perspective can be particularly transformative. Conflicts between friends, family members, or partners often arise from a lack of understanding. By embracing the idea that everyone is right in their own way, we become more patient and open-minded, leading to deeper connections and healthier relationships. It allows us to validate each other's feelings and experiences, strengthening our bonds. In the workplace, this mindset can enhance teamwork and innovation. When team members feel that their ideas and perspectives are valued, they are more likely to contribute actively and creatively. A culture that respects diverse viewpoints can lead to more robust problem-solving and innovation as it leverages the strengths and insights of a diverse team. This inclusivity fosters a sense of belonging and motivates individuals to perform at their best. Educational settings also benefit from this approach. Encouraging students to express their viewpoints without fear of being wrong nurtures critical thinking and confidence. It promotes a learning environment where curiosity thrives and students are motivated to explore and question the world around them. By valuing diverse perspectives, educators can inspire a love for learning and a deeper understanding of complex subjects. Furthermore, in the broader societal context, acknowledging the validity of different perspectives can contribute to social cohesion. In politically polarized environments, this approach can bridge divides by highlighting common ground and shared values. It encourages citizens to engage in constructive dialogue and collaborate towards common goals, despite their differences. The notion that everyone is right also has profound implications for mental health. Accepting and validating our own and others' feelings and experiences can lead to greater self-acceptance and emotional well-being. It helps reduce the stress and anxiety that often accompany the need to be right or the fear of being judged. This acceptance fosters a more compassionate and supportive community. In the realm of global issues, this perspective can enhance international cooperation. Countries with different cultural and political backgrounds can find common solutions by respecting each other's viewpoints and working towards mutual understanding. This approach can lead to more effective and sustainable solutions to global challenges such as climate change, poverty, and conflict. Moreover, the idea that everyone is right can drive social justice efforts. It encourages us to listen to marginalized voices and understand their struggles from their perspectives. This empathy is crucial for creating policies and initiatives that are inclusive and equitable. It ensures that the solutions we develop address the real needs and challenges of all community members. On a philosophical level, this concept invites us to reflect on the nature of truth and knowledge. It challenges the binary notion of right and wrong, encouraging a more nuanced understanding of reality. This philosophical inquiry can lead to a deeper appreciation of the complexity of human existence and the richness of our diverse experiences. In the realm of art and literature, this perspective can foster greater appreciation and creativity. Artists and writers often express unique viewpoints and experiences through their work. By valuing these diverse expressions, we enrich our cultural landscape and gain deeper insights into the human condition. It allows us to see the beauty in different forms of expression and the truth in varied narratives. Furthermore, embracing the idea that everyone is right can enhance conflict resolution processes. Mediators and negotiators can benefit from this approach by understanding the underlying needs and concerns of all parties involved. It enables the creation of solutions that respect and address these diverse perspectives, leading to more lasting and satisfactory resolutions. In everyday life, this mindset can make us more adaptable and resilient. By understanding that others' perspectives are shaped by their experiences, we become more flexible in our thinking and open to change. This adaptability is crucial in an ever-evolving world, helping us navigate uncertainty and embrace new opportunities. Moreover, this approach can inspire a more inclusive and compassionate community. When we recognize the validity of everyone's experiences and viewpoints, we create a culture of inclusion where everyone feels valued and heard. This inclusivity strengthens community bonds and fosters a sense of belonging and mutual support. In the realm of parenting and education, this perspective can nurture more empathetic and open-minded future generations. Teaching children to respect and understand different viewpoints equips them with the skills to navigate a diverse world. It fosters tolerance, empathy, and a lifelong love for learning. Finally, embracing the idea that everyone is right can lead to personal growth and self-improvement. It encourages us to reflect on our own beliefs and biases, opening our minds to new ideas and perspectives. This introspection can lead to greater self-awareness and a deeper understanding of the world around us. To delve deeper, let us consider the impact of this mindset on different societal systems. In politics, for example, recognizing that everyone is right in their own context can lead to more inclusive policy making. Politicians and lawmakers who take into account the diverse needs and perspectives of their constituents are better equipped to create laws that serve the common good. This approach can mitigate the divisiveness often seen in political discourse and promote more cooperative governance. In the judicial system, a similar perspective can enhance justice. Judges and juries who understand the complexities of different life experiences and cultural backgrounds are more likely to deliver fair and empathetic rulings. This can lead to a justice system that not only punishes wrongdoing, but also rehabilitates and reintegrates individuals into society more effectively. The healthcare sector also stands to gain from this mindset. Medical professionals who recognize the diverse needs and perspectives of their patients can provide more personalized and effective care. This approach can improve patient outcomes and satisfaction as it respects and addresses the unique circumstances of each individual. In business, embracing the idea that everyone is right can lead to more ethical and socially responsible practices. Companies that value the perspectives of their employees, customers, and communities are more likely to act in ways that benefit society as a whole. This can enhance their reputation and success as consumers increasingly favor businesses that demonstrate social responsibility. On an environmental level, recognizing the validity of diverse viewpoints can lead to more sustainable practices. Environmental policies that take into account the needs and perspectives of different communities are more likely to be effective and equitable. This approach ensures that the benefits and burdens of environmental actions are shared fairly, promoting long-term sustainability. In religious and spiritual contexts, acknowledging that everyone is right in their own way can foster greater interfaith harmony. Understanding and respecting different religious beliefs and practices can reduce conflicts and promote peaceful coexistence. This perspective encourages individuals to find common ground and appreciate the shared values that unite different faiths. In media and communication, this mindset can lead to more balanced and respectful reporting. Journalists who consider multiple perspectives are better able to present nuanced and comprehensive stories. This can help the public develop a more informed and empathetic understanding of complex issues. In scientific research, acknowledging diverse viewpoints can drive innovation. Researchers who consider different approaches and ideas are more likely to make breakthroughs and develop novel solutions. This diversity of thought fuels creativity and progress in scientific endeavors. Moreover, this perspective can enhance our understanding of history. Recognizing that history is composed of many different narratives allows us to appreciate the complexity of the past. It helps us understand how different experiences and viewpoints have shaped the world we live in today. In the context of globalization, understanding that everyone is right in their own way can promote international understanding and cooperation. It encourages countries to respect each other's cultures and perspectives, leading to more peaceful and productive global interactions. The arts, too, benefit from this inclusive approach. When we appreciate diverse artistic expressions, we enrich our cultural experiences and deepen our understanding of the human condition. This perspective fosters creativity and innovation in the arts, as it values and celebrates different forms of expression. In conclusion, the notion that everyone is right, when viewed through the lens of empathy and understanding, can transform our interactions and relationships on multiple levels. It fosters a culture of respect, inclusivity, and constructive dialogue, essential for personal growth and social cohesion. By embracing this perspective, we pave the way for a more compassionate and harmonious world where diverse experiences and viewpoints are valued and celebrated. This mindset encourages us to see the world from multiple angles, fostering a deeper appreciation of our shared humanity and the rich tapestry of life. Thank you for spending time here at the World Wisdom Well and learning from Everyone is Right. We hope you find this audiobook insightful. Please send this to someone who may benefit. May we all be well. May we all be wise. May we all dare to go beyond our constructed intelligence of self and work hard to see all the other views and perspectives of our one human family.